Ride the underground long enough here in London and you pick up on signs, evidences that your journey's about over. What about the second coming of Christ? What about the end of the world? We wanted to ask how Londoners felt about that destination and that journey ending. Here are their responses.
Don't really think about it, to be honest with you.
I don't believe it's going to happen.
I don't know, I don't think it's happened yet.
It could be next year, it could be 10 years from now, it could be in the next century. But we all have to be prepared.
So imagine the second coming. Imagine someone from the street saying, I am the Son of God. You tell me, would you believe that person standing over there?
Probably not.
Probably not.
I don't think anything. I think he's already been.
You know, we know that he's planning, you know. He did say that there would be a day that he would come back.
I suppose there might be some element of truth in it. I'm not really taken in with it, but there might be some element of truth in it.
Jesus' second coming, it means a time that Jesus may come back to earth.
Never going to happen.
They say Elvis Presley will come back in the world. But where is Elvis? You know, they were saying in 2000 he will be back in the world. Where is Elvis?